I just saw my wheels. I actually have no idea what wheels I'm putting on my truck. I sold my wheels for less than I wanted to, but the wheels I have on, they were straight traded from the wheels that like came with the truck when I bought it. So not really that big of a deal. Gabe's talking to his friend Chris. See if I can buy his wheels. Otherwise, I'll keep you guys updated. I don't know. Explain what you did to make this a harder situation.
Well, you see now, I really like doing burnouts, but my rear end doesn't like doing burnouts. So I did a burnout, and my rear end said,
Peace out.
so now I don't have a truck.
And my truck, no wheels.
Mm-hmm.
So
we went to a junkyard and we found the most garbage set of wheels that we could find because we're so broke we can't afford anything else. So we're just stuck rocking these. Don't be mad. Don't be mad. These 24 by 14 American Forces on 37s. We're gonna look really broke for a while, but once Kaylee's wheels get in, then these will be off to a new home. Yeah, sorry guys.
Also a disclaimer, like my wheels that I bought are not Forces. Actually I was gonna buy these, but then I found some that I liked more. They're not Forces, but I don't really care about the brand.
Just a different style.
Yeah.
That's okay.
I don't know. Gabe's had Forces, and honestly, I've liked all the other wheels more.
I've had two sets of Forces.
Yeah.
Actually, my first set of Forces were 26 by 16s, and they were the exact same model as these. So.
Piper, do you like them? Do you? Oh boy. Okay, she does. The invisible wheelmobile. Also, if you didn't know, Gabe dropped my truck.
No, I didn't. Oof. So let me explain myself.
Yes, you did. If you go on his video, you'll see it was on the concrete.
Yeah, I hit it.
And it broke one of my wheel lights.
Yep. Sorry. I'm sneezing. I'm allergic to air.
So now I don't have wheel lights. Beep. Bless you.
That was disgusting.
Sounds terrifying.
How many lug nuts should we use? This is an 8 lug, so we should use
3,
2,
1. We're done.
This is the hardest part. Taking this set of wheel and tire off.
Oh yeah.
The hardest part. The invisible wheelmobile. Bye.
You should go inside.
It's put Piper in it. I'm actually gonna try to get in it. Oh, okay.
Think I fit?
I don't know.
I think you can.
Alright.
Low T. Let's just do it down the driveway though. So that we don't kill you. And if we actually want to full send it, we had to go down the whole hill.
Down the hill at the park.
Alright.
I think they all got shit.
You're gonna get dirty today anyways.
You fit in.
Somebody hold it.
Serena's got it.
My fucking legs, man. Oh, spider! Nice!
Spider.
Alright.
Nope, you have to I guess
Piper,
that works
push him.
too.
Push him, Piper. Get him. Get him.
You kind of gotta push up so that your head doesn't squish itself.
What?
Ready?
No.
Make sure you don't fall on your head when you flip over.
I'm definitely gonna fall on my head. I don't think that's gonna work.
Use all your strength.
Oh god. Oh god.
Don't look up, don't look up. I don't know
guess I can do it again. Go ahead.
Here, you push it now.
Okay. Ready?
Yep, go.
I can't do it hard enough. Savannah's strong. I can't, Savannah.
Come on, you got it.
Both hands.
Go, go.
I literally can't. Hold on, I'll record with his phone.
Oh my god.
Don't.
Oh, he sucked it.
You know, look at his hair.
Remember, guys, wear your helmets.
Oh,
Like spiders in my mouth.
ew.
4 more miles.
Till it hits 100 foot.
400.
100
4 more miles till 150K.
foot.
You've literally
No, I don't.
you put like 2,000 miles on this year.
I've had this truck for over a year, and
For a year, and you put 2,000 miles on it. I've had my truck for the same amount of time, and I put like 30,000 miles on mine.
probably because you're my Uber.
And I drive the show truck.
Oh my god, guys, my 6.0 is getting old.
Shut the fuck.
We're trying to film and edit, and park rangers. We've gotten in trouble here before. They literally held us past sunset to give us tickets for being here past sunset. But it looks like it's a different guy. So okay, looks like we're good. He said we can't block the roadway. I hope he's not mad about us. We're in parking spots now, but kind of sideways. Is it a police? I don't know. Fun fact, I need injectors. That's all I got. He's somewhere in there.
Depot on the beat.